Okay, which of the following is a linear equation in two variables? Let's take number 1. Y equals negative 5. First question, is this a linear equation? Now, to answer that question, titingnan mo yung highest exponent ng variable, and in this case, y. The exponent of y is 1. So, kapag ang highest exponent ng variable ay 1, then you call it a linear equation. Kapag hindi 1, ibig sabihin, for example, more than 1, then it is not a linear equation. So, this is a linear equation. Pero, ilang variables meron tayo? There's only one variable, and that's y. So, kahit linear equation to, but since there's only one variable, you cannot call it a linear equation in two variables. Number 2, x minus 2y equals 4. Look at the exponent of x, 1. The exponent of y, 1. Is this linear? Yes, kasi ang pinakamataas na exponent ng bawat variable ay 1. How many variables are there? Dalawa, x and y. So since this is a linear equation at may dalawang variables, you can now call it a linear equation in two variables. Pangatlo, 1 of x minus 2y equals 6. Okay, tingnan niyo yung exponent ng x and y. The exponent of x is 1. The exponent of y is 1. Is this linear or not? Linear, kasi ang pinakamataas ay 1. Ngayon, ilang variables meron tayo? Dalawa din, x and y. So, since that's linear at may dalawang variables, you call it a linear equation in two variables. Number 4, x squared minus 3y equals 5. What's the exponent of x? 2. What's the exponent of y? 1. Okay. Is this linear? Hindi na. Kasi ang pinakamataas ng exponent ng x ay 2, hindi na 1. So, you cannot call this a linear equation. Ilang variables meron? Dalawa. So, kahit may dalawa kang variables dyan, since it is not a linear equation, you cannot call it a linear equation in two variables. Okay, last one. 5 over x plus y equals negative 6. The exponent of x in this equation is 1, as you can see it. The exponent of y is 1. So, is it linear? Okay, parang sasabihin natin linear. However, if you consider the location of x, the x is in the denominator. This location of the variable in the equation makes it not a linear equation. So, please remember na kapag ang variable ay nasa denominator, you cannot call it a linear equation. So, since that's not a linear equation, your conclusion, it's not a linear equation in two variables.